Ubabalwa Lobisho sekwisikhundla sakhe njengosodolophu saseNelson Mandela Bay emva kokuba ooceba abangama-63 bevota ngelithi bayamthemba uLobisho njengosodolophu. Ngabangama-48 abavote ukuba ehle esikhundleni sakhe njengosodolophu emva kwesiphakamiso sokungamthembi esiphakamiswe ngoMvulo ngamaqela aphikisayo. Umbutho iGudi uthi ooceba be-DA abasixhenxe abakhange babekho kule voti.
People, with regard to the motion of no confidence against the mayor yesterday, it was expected as to what is going to happen. You must remember last year, I tabled a motion of no confidence against this coalition and against this mayor. But lo and behold, Rano and the DA then did not support my motion for obvious reasons, because we know that there are some dealings amongst them. So when the motion was tabled yesterday, lo and behold, 7 of the DA councillors were not there. Now, Whitfield and them told the public that they are going to support the motion. But what they failed in telling you is that 7 of their councillors would not come to council. That's like defeating this entire motion of ours.
Umbutho we-DA utyhola usodolophu ngokuwohloka kweziseko zoncedo lwamanzi, amanzi angakhuselekanga, kwaye ithi ifuna urhulumente wephondo angenelele.
Sinengxaki yamanzi, especially esiwafumana kuma-water tankers. Sifumane i-report kwi-Public Health Committee esixelela ukuba out of 3 water tankers, 1 of them was not compliant. So lento isho ukuba kunama-germs kulamanzi, one of the water tankers. And ingxaki yethu ukuba we had a water outage where there were more than 20 water tankers. And if one of the tankers azikho compliant, lento ithu ukuba most of the water tankers are not compliant, and lamanzi iwona manzi that are feeding the townships, that are feeding the poorer areas, and that is our greatest concern. Sibaxelele ke kwi-Public Health Committee uba sifuna they must test more water tankers, since if a 1 out of 3 is compliant, there is a likelihood ukuba most of the water tankers are not compliant. So our action step was that there must be another report where they test as many water tankers as possible, so that at least the majority of amanzi, in fact all our water tankers that are supplying to our communities are compliant.
uLobisho uthi u-DA mayiyeke ukusasaza indaba ezingekhoyo ngokuba amanzi akwasisixeko kulungele ukusetyenziswa.
Singumasipala sine-3-hour testing method where we are able to detect bacteria on the water, and it reflects on our system. And over and above that, it then confirms that we are complying with SANS 241 standards. So all the trucks that are collecting water, they are pumping the water from our standpipes, water that is already purified, water that is ready for consumption. Hence, I want to confirm to the residents that the water is tested, there's no need for any panic.
iGudi ithi i-DA ibathengisile yaye abahlali mabangayithatheli ingqalelo i-DA xa iphinda ikhalaza ngokungalawulwa ngendlela komasipala iNelson Mandela Bay. Kwiindaba zeMpuma Kapa TV, ndinguSandile Ntshumbi eGqeberha.